G'day guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We now have a join button on our channel, so if you would like to become a part of the IFR mod squad, it is greatly appreciated. We also have a Patreon. If the join button is not for you, the links will be in the description.
inside you. So won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype. Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. This is actually a client build of ours. If you would like a client build of your very own, our email is down in the description below for you guys to go and check out. Just send us your budget and your location for the PC. So today's client build is a dual loop system, one loop for the CPU, one for the GPU. He wanted two different colors, so he went with a neutral color, as in white, and then we also went for blue for the secondary color. Unfortunately, we had a bit of stuff up with the RGB software, and I cannot stand RGB software anymore. I just wish companies would join all of their software together and just have one software for everything. Unfortunately, the RGB Fusion would not pick up the GPU, so it is pretty much just stuck on orange because that's what it comes as default. I really wish it, as default, it would come as a white or something like that, something neutral, because it's going to clash with different colors. So unfortunately, we do have orange on the GPU. A big shame because this was a white and blue PC, but the client will be having it all RGB. That's what he wanted. So once I set all of the fans, motherboard, RAM and everything to RGB, it's not really going to make too much of a difference. Now down below, you guys will see that we have packed a lot of tubes down there, and I can't believe how much we fit down there. I actually got blisters and everything from trying to fit my hand in there. It was so tight, but we got it done. There's two loops going down underneath here, and of course a monster 360 radiator from Thermaltake, and then the fans on top of that, so there wasn't a lot of room. We also did manage to fit two drain ports for the system, one for each loop, and then of course we just fill it via the top of the two reservoirs. This system is packed full of extreme hardware. We have a 2080 Ti from Aorus, and of course we do have a 9900K CPU, so this is a beast gaming system, and separating the loops are going to keep each component nice and cool. And of course we have a really nice Asus motherboard to back up those specs, and 32 gigabytes of G.Skill Trident Z RGB memory. And how about this case? This case is worth a fortune, the Phanteks Elite. And I can see why, because it has so much water cooling support. I really enjoyed working in this case actually. And then once we put the front window on, it just looks absolutely amazing. And I'm glad that they didn't go for a really dark tempered glass on the front, because you definitely don't want to hide the hardware inside. Now the modifications that we did to this case were pretty minimal, but we did end up cutting out the bottom panel and we created a mirror pass-through panel. So the bottom is actually a mirror. When you look at it from the top down, it looks like there's more tubes than what are actually in here. It looks like there's more LEDs than what's in there, and it reflects light up, so it highlights the bottom of the components as well. So it looks really cool in this system. Anyway guys, that will do it from me. I hope you all enjoyed this build. Remember, we do have a join button on the channel. If you would like to support us, it is greatly appreciated. Just go to our channel or under the video, hit the join button. Awesome stuff. Also, we have a Patreon. If the join button is not for you, consider hitting that link in the description below and supporting us there. We have plenty of videos on the channel, guys, just like this one, so consider watching them after this. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.